Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my GG3000 electric furnace from Caskmaster's Elite. I know wintertime's coming, it's right around the corner. I'm not going to be able to use my outdoor propane furnace for any type of melting that I would like to be doing. So I decided to purchase this one that I can do inside my garage. Once again, the GG3000 3 kg electric furnace. After unboxing this electric furnace, I must say, it was really well packaged and put together. I think it's time to start it up and melt some metal. When you're all finished tempering the crucible and reading the instructions, it's time to start it up. All you have to do is press the power button and bring it to the desired temperature that you would like to get to. Alright, so obviously I didn't have enough aluminum to fill this mold. It is my first time using it, so I need to get used to knowing how much aluminum or any other metal I need to use. But either way, this thing came out pretty cool. Really did. Check it out. All I have to do now is just clean it up. Even though it didn't come out the way I planned, the furnace itself did a great job. It worked exactly the way I wanted it to. Now, this looks amazing. I'm so glad it came out the way it did, even though it didn't come out the way I wanted it to. If you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe. Catch you later.